guys want to double check? Make sure everybody's seatbelt is nice.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Make sure
Yeah.
we're secure.
I tightened
If you
myself
look up
up.
above you,
Yeah.
you'll see some handles. Those are called crap handles. You feel the need to hang on to those. Kelly, I'm not going to do anything crazy to you. I don't want you to get sick on the tour.
Oh, no, I'm fine.
You're going to be okay?
Yeah.
All right. If you do throw up, don't throw up on my Jeep.
Oh,
okay?
Oh, no, we'll go this
Go on that
way.
sideways
Yeah.
up this
No,
way.
I'm
Please go that
fine.
way.
All right. What's my favorite part of the tour? You guys ready to have some fun?
Can't help but notice there's so
So I think there's some cactuses left and right. You might have spotted these around the park as well. The ones that look like Mickey Mouse ears. These are called prickly pear cactuses. Prickly pear. And that's the favorite food of the desert tortoise. The desert tortoise does not have any nerve endings in its mouth. So we can chew away at that plant. It gets poked and it can't feel it. And if you look on the bottoms or sides of some of these, you'll see some bites taken out of those. They do sell them in the Mexican grocery stores and Mexican restaurants in Vegas. They call them Napolis. You guys ever had them before?
They're called what?
Napolis?
Napolis.
Napolis, yeah. My wife and I were in Cancun about a year ago, and we're going again in 4 days.
Oh,
But
nice. Good for you.
Anyway, we had ours barbecued last time there, and of course they take off the spikes, but you dip them in different sauces, and it goes good with beer. I know that. So
Oh, okay.
Kind of cool. But they make margaritas out of them, lodgers, jellies, things like that as well. Kevin, have you had them before?
I have.
Where'd you have them at?
I've had them in Puerto
Puerto-
Penasco.
Okay.
I've had them in, I'm trying to think, Acapulco,
Okay.
and there's another place.
I've seen them in
I don't know.
margaritas.
Yeah, margaritas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, there was like they had a mortar and pestle
Okay.
with a sauce in the middle, and
Yeah.
like meats and cactus.
Oh, that's cool. Kind of part of the,
Oh,
part of the
yeah.
whole thing.
Yeah.
To me, they kind of reminded me of like a slimy cucumber.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not real strong.
A sweet slimy cucumber. Yeah.
And pretty soon, you might see on one of a couple of plants right here. They have little growths coming on them.
Yeah.
They look like a radish. And probably next, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks or so, they're going to be about the size of a radish.
I grabbed
They're
one of
usually
those.
like a purple, pink, or yellow color. Those are called pawpaws. And if you guys ever seen the movie Jungle Book, there's a song in there called Bare Necessities.
Yes.
That's why you use your pawpaws.
Oh, there's some blooming over there.
There's some stuff in here.
Yeah, that's it.
four-wheel drive now. Hey, this is a dry riverbed we're going to cross over.
Everybody glad they came.
This also. Here we go.
You can do it.
Yeah, but you kind of like a little girl back there. Was that you? That was the biggest thing.
That's right.
I could do this every day. I could get paid to do this. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Come on out.
I just gotta buy a pink Jeep.
Everyone okay back there?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do a little sign-
Keep
do a little
going.
sign wave driving right here. You guys ready?
A little bit.
There's a really nice photo opportunity right there.
Wow.
If you guys want to do a picture,
No kidding.
or I'll do the picture for you if you want. Your phone up to me, just have to do it.
I'm just recording this whole
Yeah.
thing.
I'm gonna hand you my phone.
That's good.
Camera never gets
Yeah.
what your eyes can
Oh,
see. Yeah,
that's
So-
that part. Yeah.
There's a couple really good shots right in front of the hood as well. You can see where we're going in front.
Oh, cool. Thank
Here's
you.
what I'm going to do for you. Give you a picture of me.
Okay.
There you go. Who would want that?
Thank you.
Selfie.
Your husband would be all jealous.
That was good.
Want a picture of you as well? All right, we good to go. Denise, you ready?
I'm good.
All right, guys, here we go. Get a little suntan out there. All right, here we go. Did anybody close your eyes on the way up at all?
No way.